Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is IFEPINKIESTV and today I'll be teaching you how I make the most delicious Ayamase sauce, also known as Ofada sauce. You need some unripe scotch bonnet or rodo, you need green bell peppers, you need tripe and intestines of a cow, you need beef, cow beef, onions and pomo, which is also known as cow skin. The cow beef, tripe, intestine, and pomo has been boiled, and I've cleaned the peppers and onions and locust beans, also known as iru. Some people use just plain unripe scotch bonnet. You can use that, but if you love spicy food, go ahead and double the pepper quantity. So I've prepped the cow beef, the cow tripe, and intestines, the locust beans. Our pomo is also clean, and I'll go ahead and blend the pepper mix and show you. So our pepper mix is ready. Let me bring it closer to the camera so you see the consistency. You can blend it smoother than this, a little bit smoother than this, but this is what you want. You don't want the liquid, inside, so that it can fry on time. In a clean dry pot, add in your bleached palm oil. We're going to give this some minutes for it to get hot. This was bleached off camera, but if you want a video of how to bleach your palm oil, I'll drop it. I'll be frying the cow beef for a few minutes. I don't want it to get really fried, but I just want the beef to flavor the oil. I'm okay with how it has fried so far, and I'll be taking it out of the oil right now. After taking out the last piece of beef, I'm going to add in our cow tripe and the intestines and allow that fry for just a little bit. At this point, I don't want the cow tripe to fry so much. I'm okay with how it has fried so far, so I'm going to add in the pomo. This pomo is not a thick one, so I wouldn't allow this fry for long. So I'm just going to give it a stir, and in 2 minutes I'll take everything out. If you're on a weight loss journey and you do not want to add extra calories, then you can skip the frying step. After taking out everything, we're going to add in our pepper mix into the hot oil. You can fry your iru, which is locust beans, first before adding in your pepper mix, but I like to do it this way. So whichever one you prefer, go ahead and do that. I'll give it a stir and add in the locust beans. After stirring this, I'm going to leave it to fry for about 20 minutes and I'll come back to show you what it will look like. I'll give it another stir and allow it to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes before I introduce my protein. At this point, I'm going to add in the beef stock. Sauce has fried for about 5 minutes and I'm adding in the pomo, the beef tripe, the intestines, and the cow beef. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Thank you. Now I'll give it a stir and allow them marry each other properly. I'll check back after 10 minutes. At this point, I'm going to go in with our salt and seasoning. You just want to go in gradually till you reach your desired taste. Give it a stir and allow it to continue frying. The oil in this sauce is enough. You can see that at this point the oil has come up to the surface. After this has fried for about 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add in our boiled eggs. I know I didn't show you earlier, but what is Ofada without boiled eggs? What is it? What is it? Please make sure you check up on your sauce from time to time to avoid it from getting burnt. We'll keep frying till the oil floats to the top. But you can leave your Ofada sauce for a little bit longer if you want it darker in color. It's equally fine. To make everything faster, use your spoon to press down the eggs. We need to allow the sauce get into the eggs and change the color of the eggs a little bit. So we're going to leave this to fry for another 5 to 10 minutes. I'll show you what it will look like in a bit. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like and drop a comment for me in the comment section. By the time the oil flows to the top of the sauce, then you know that your Ofada sauce is ready. This is the authentic Ofada Ayamase sauce, the best of the very best. I bought some rice to go with it and some plantain. Man, tell me you're not salivating. Just tell me you're not salivating. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Love you.